Alright, so the first thing we're going to want to do is bring in our background image, which we are just going to use a Minecraft village. Now, this is important because you want to have something under the green screen when you actually get rid of it. Then we're going to bring in our green screen clip and bring that in there. Now we are going to go into the actual chroma key part. We're going to click on the chroma key right there. I'm going to share Filmora, and as you can see, the background is gone. The green is gone. All just by clicking that button. Now we can adjust things like the tolerance and whatever to adjust it however you need to, but for this one it's pretty perfect as is. Alright, the next part of this is we're going to add in another image. This time we're going to add a diamond sword, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to add this near his hand. But as you can see, there's still the white on the sword, the white around the sword. It is not a transparent image. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go back in the chroma key. This time, however, we're going to use a selection tool. We're going to click on the white outside of the diamond sword, and as you can see, it gets rid of it. But there are still some outlines, so we're going to adjust some settings to get rid of that. And you can adjust these however you want, but there you go. You can just see a little white outline now, much better than before. We're going to scale that down to fit around his hand there. But there's a problem in that if you press play on the video, as you can see, the sword does not move with his hand. So to fix that, we're going to want to do some motion tracking. And instead of going through frame by frame, animating it, we're just going to click on the motion tracking feature. We're going to put this little white square around his hand, click start tracking, and it will do it all for us. Now, after this, you're going to want to click on none under the motion tracking. Click on whatever you used. For us, it's just download 8. And as you can see, it is now perfectly motion tracked. And now we can show you the full thing.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.